Okay, so this will be our outdoor and indoor. Okay, so we'll go with the indoor. Select language, then set password. Okay, activate. Then I am connected with LAN, so I will enable this one. So it changed IP. Then set the time zone. Okay, next. So Wi-Fi no need because we are LAN connected. Then this is the model K1T671MF. Okay, select that one. And next, you have indoors extension. Click connect.
%80 already.
Finish. So no need for this one. So it is connected properly. So here, so I can.
The door is open.
Okay. And if you want to call this one, call, then the room number. Okay, one, and call. So it's calling. Okay.
The call is rejected.
But if you want to access the outdoor only by calling without pressing the number, so you have to access it through its web browser. Okay, so this is the IP address of the device. Log in, put the username and the password. Okay, so you are required to fill up these details. So next, admin password, put password. Okay, select language. Okay, time zone. You can skip. Completed. Okay, so right now go to the configuration, intercom. So the default is call indoor screen. That's why you need the room number to be called. Okay, so if you want to set call number, so please enter the room number and then go back to the device. So once you call, automatically it will call to the specified room number. You need to press the room number
Cancel the
and
call.
call. Okay.